Primetime news this evening. High-profile corruption case takes another turn as defense attorneys questions FID's power. Coming clean, government admits that it knew two former Petrojam board members were not Jamaicans. And learning in fear, students being robbed at gunpoint by criminals in St. Anne.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview. Andrea?
Well, Janella, there's a revelation this evening that Jamaica is losing potential investors. Why? Stick around for details in the business day.
Okay, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Spencer with a look at what's coming up in sports. Spencer.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, a former champion is back in the top half of the Red Stripe Premier League. We'll give you the details in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening's questions. What's your reaction to the former PSOJ president's view that government should prioritize spending on inner city communities over major roadworks?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.